right behind me. Have a big butt, what can I say? And the thing is, it's all freaking ice underneath this stuff. Mark is going to have a hard time. But I tell you what, this doesn't seem to bother Brittany none. Look at her go. Oh, really? Are you guys having fun? Are you having fun? Interesting how it blows out around the trees. No, you cannot exit the building. Hey, snowman! Gypsy girl. Yeah, Pearl! Oh, Pearl! Oh, Pearl! Scotty, Scotty! Run, little Brittany, run! She's got a stick! Hey! And you're a thief! You steal all the best sticks. This was the one you were playing with. Yeah! Look at her go! They really don't seem to care. Cold as all get out. Although Ruby's like, I've had enough of the wind blown. And me, I'm just kicking around out here, trying to break some trails. Mark's gonna try and get in here.